Warren Buffett is one of the best known investors of all time. If you want to be successful in managing and growing your finances, it is important to learn from the best. In this video, I'll discuss 5 best money tips by Buffett that can help you attract wealth and be successful in life. Let's discover some secrets of money with Buffett's advice. Tip number 1, never lose money. This advice from Buffett might sound not too important, but listen, let's look at some few ways we lose money without knowing. These are simple things that can be avoided. It is our way of life. When you want to cook food for the family, cook what you can eat. Don't cook in excess and throw the rest away. This is a way to minimize waste. Why still leave the lights in the living room on till afternoon whilst you don't need it? If you can still find your way around the living room at 9 in the morning without keeping your lights on, switch it off to save energy. This can reduce your bills, and the money saved here can be invested into something profitable. These are simple ways you lose money without even knowing you're losing. This is a very important tip for money. Don't give the slightest penny or pesewa chance. In other words, don't waste money. When Buffett gave this as the first rule, he stated that the second rule is never forget number 1. So rule number 1 is very important. This is something that is crucial. If you want to be successful, if you want to attract wealth, don't waste money. So you never lose money. This is tip number 1 from Warren Buffett. Tip number 2, invest in yourself. According to Inc.com, Buffett said, invest in as much of yourself as you can. You are your own biggest asset by far. There is nothing as painful as getting an opportunity that you are not prepared to take. You know what you want to achieve in life. Learn and develop a skill to achieve that. If you want to start a business, train yourself towards that. If you want to start a trade, invest time in learning and understand the trade. Whatever you learn to make yourself better can never be taken away from you. Invest in yourself and become a better version of you. So that is it. Pay attention to your personal development. Invest some time in yourself. Invest some money in your self-development. Any knowledge you acquire for yourself can never be taken from you. You can use this and make yourself better and attract so much wealth. Whenever you meet the opportunity, make sure you are prepared to take that opportunity. So tip number 2 is invest in yourself. Tip number 3, learn about money. Part of investing in yourself should be learning more about managing money. As an investor, much of Buffett's job was limiting exposure and minimizing risk. Buffett once said, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. The more you know about personal finance, the more security you will have as you minimize risk. The lesson from this Buffett quote is to actively educate yourself about personal finance. Learn the simple cash flow system. Understand how money works, and you attract more money. You can never attract what you don't understand or what you don't know. So the more knowledge you have about money, the more you attract money. So take time and learn about money. Understand how money works, and you attract more money. Tip number 4, develop healthy money habits. Sticking to your goals and creating better habits can be a real-time commitment. So in all reality, the sooner you start, the better. Your financial health can be just as important as your physical health. In a 2007 address at the University of Florida, Buffett said, most behavior is habitual, and they say that the chains of habits are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. Work on building positive money habits and breaking those that hurt your wallet. Some of these good habits are tracking your spending. Start saving a little at a time. Have an investor's mind establish and improve your credit. It is very important to keep this as simple as possible so you can live to it. Develop healthy money habits. Make a budget and stick to it. Remember that getting your finances under control will help you get more out of life and know when and how much you can spend. Start off by sticking to the basics whenever you can and taking care of your needs before your wants. If it is not too critical, don't release that money. If it's for self-development, go ahead and do it. But anytime you want to release money, make sure it is within your budget. It is within your spending. Don't overspend. So it is very important to develop healthy money habits if you want to be rich. Tip number 5, view money as a long-term game. Buffett once said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. And it's true. Planting and nurturing the seeds of financial success now will lead to shade to enjoy later in life. That shade might include freedom from debt, a secure retirement, or the ability to cover the cost of college for your children. Such a long-term view of money is central to Buffett's investing decisions. In his 2014 letter to shareholders, he said, people should invest with a multi-decade horizon. Their focus should remain fixed on attaining significant gains in purchasing power over their investing lifetime. He urged investors not to focus on moments of stock market volatility or economic crisis. Building true wealth and financial security takes time, and you will likely encounter financial challenges along the way. But viewing your finances as a long-time endeavor can help you stay on course despite hardships. That gives you a financial foundation that will last. Don't always stick to get-rich-quick schemes. This will break you down. If you want more of such tips, subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Make sure you don't forget any of these tips. Let's look at it again. Never lose money. Invest in yourself. Learn about money. Develop healthy money habits and view money as a long-term game. Keep these tips and you'll be successful. Whatever you want to do in life, make sure that you put a plan to it. Stick to the plan and never go away from it. You'll be successful if you stick to these rules. This is Warren Buffett's best tips for money. Go ahead and also research. If this is something that is good for you, apply it to yourself and you attract wealth and money. Keep it simple, find what works best for you, and you also be successful. Look through it, see what works best for you, apply it to your life, and be successful. Don't forget to share this video, like the video, and let people also enjoy. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with another great video. Have a great day.